Hello guys, my name is Matthew, and in today's video I'm going to compare two workflow and management tools. First one is Monday.com and the second one is Asana. We will go through some pros and cons. I'll tell you something about these programs, and at the end we'll try to compare them by pricing, and also we'll go through which one is better or worse. If you're interested in those, I will leave the links in the description underneath this video. So without further ado, let's start with Monday.com. With Monday.com, managers can better keep their team aligned from one collaborative workspace. This flexible platform allows you to truly centralize your data, leveraging native integrations, third-party apps, and helpful widgets. With an overview of all ongoing processes, you can quickly gauge the status of essential tasks and follow up with the relevant team member efficiently. Essentially, on Monday.com, executives have the flexibility to build the perfect tools for their team using intuitive drag and drop technology. Simply select one of over 200 templates and customize it using the 20 editable columns to support any of your workflows. Then, if your team grows, your workflows can easily scale with you, empowering your team to new heights with complete visibility. So what we are looking at Monday.com, there are some solutions that they can cover, and also I would say they are very good at what they're doing, and the price wise is very nice. So if we go to solutions, marketing and creative, sales and CRM, IT operations, HR, software development, their website is pretty neat, and you won't have any problems to basically assign the members, invite members, that being mostly your employees. You can enhance the workflow and business types, all of kinds. You can go through templates that you can check. First of all, you have to log in, but you have the Gantt graphs here, CRM graphs, whatever you need. So let's go and check the pricing. For even individual plan, for up to 2 seats, it's free forever. So that's very generous of them. But if you want to go for a basic, it's 8 euros per seat a month. Total 24 euros monthly. Some unlimited free viewers, unlimited items, 5 gigabytes file storage, and so on and so on. Standard is 10 euros per seat per month. Total 30 euros a month billed annually. Then Pro with 16 per month, 48 a month billed annually. But then again, you just have to click on try it for free. I already have an account here. So yeah, we can just leave it like that. And it's very easy. Yeah, it's probably different. It's a work account, but doesn't matter. You can check it in you have this option to try it free, so feel free to do it. Let's go and check Asana. Asana is an online team collaboration and workflow management tool. So organize your workflow in the best way possible to follow tasks through and be able to avoid obstacles to meet deadlines. Asana's boards let you visualize your work and arrange all your relevant emails and files into one place. Use Asana's portfolios to monitor the status of all your projects and keep your strategic initiatives on track and easily report on progress. Its custom fields allow you to keep track of info important to the team and share the information with the right people. Commonly, used projects can be turned into templates to ensure your team workflow moves more smoothly and faster. Asana's web interface is efficient and responsive, and it can be integrated to other collaboration tools like Slack and so on. Asana is SOC2 Type 1 certified and offers secure connections to its site using the TLS 1.1 protocol. It also hosts its data in various SSAA audited data centers via Amazon. Both of these have business hour support centers, so basically for all type of businesses. For both of them, we created separated videos, how to work in Asana and how to work in Monday.com. I really like Asana better from my experience. It's more like visible and through, and you will really enjoy working in it. If you go to pricing plans, it's not that much of a difference. Well, you have basic one, which is free as well, then premium and business. And yeah, they are always trying to catch up. So if you like this video, please leave a like. Don't forget to subscribe. And if you have any questions, please leave them underneath this video. Thanks for watching and see you on the other one.